Hello there, YouTube family. I am back for a quick video. This is something I've really been looking forward to trying. I have some ideas I would like to do with this amazing stuff. I usually use this for furniture repair, filling holes and such, but today I'm going to be trying to make my own wooden, or I should say, sorry, my own furniture appliques using Durham's Water Putty. So I'm just gonna put it into a cup here. And I'm just gonna try a small amount right now and see how it works before I just dive into this. Literally, when I say a little bit of water, I mean a little bit of water. So, I'm gonna use a skewer. I need a little bit more water. That may have been a little too much, but we'll see once I get it all stirred in. There's quite a bit of chunks still in there. And if it's too runny, we'll just add a little more putty to it. Looks to be a little bit runny. So it really doesn't take much. So just put a little bit in there. Okay. Let's go with that consistency. I want to make it still where it's pourable, but not too pourable. Okay. All right, let's see how this does. All right, can you see that? There we go. Uh-oh. Had a couple chunks. I help it move along into these crevices. Whoop. Okay. Into this, and there, and in here. Okay. Let's see. Doesn't take long for this stuff to dry. I want to say that, oh, about 10 minutes maybe less. Okay. And let me go ahead and try. Oh, that was dangerous. I'm gonna move that one out of the way, and I'm gonna try one of these trims. Give it a good stirring before I try to pour it. All right, let's try this one. Okay, we might have gone a little overboard on that one. So I'm gonna take my squeegee and see if we can push some over into this other one. Perfect. Let's go ahead and fill that one now. Okay. Now, I think what I'm going to do is grab a clean skewer and let's just go ahead and clean up the silicone a bit so that they're not stuck to one another. Actually, let's go back this way. There's a low spot over here. Perfect. Right on. Easy enough, easy peasy. There is a tiny area right here. Okay, let's see how that works. There we go. Okay, let's try that again. Pull that right along the top. Perfect. Got a low spot right here. Clean this one up. All right. I think I'm going to leave well enough alone. Okay. Alright, let's just call that good. Let's let it dry and see what happens. We'll come back. So I leveled them out like that so that they would lay flat on the surface that I purposely made them for. And in here you'll see after I demolded them, they were brittle. So in saying that, I would probably use a thicker water putty the next time. In the previous video, and you'll see some in these pictures, they're a lighter color one, and that was because I tried using plaster of Paris as well, and I was pretty much happier with the plaster of Paris than I was the water putty, but I will probably continue to use both. And then here are some finished products I did. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing so you can see future videos that I put together. Thanks for stopping by.